Recipe episode. 1 cup quinoa and 1.5 cup of water. Bring to boil and simmer. Cover. Cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to make our sweet potato fries. You want to preheat your oven to 425. Okay, and now we're going to season our sweet potato fries. Put a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of cornstarch. A little bit of chili powder. Sea salt. And black pepper. And you want to mix it all well. Potato fries in the oven and bake for about 40 minutes. For my crunchy veggies, I'm going to use some carrots, red bell pepper, and broccoli. Okay, so now it's time to make our hummus. So you want to go ahead and drain some of the juice, but just leave just a bit for that in the processor. And 2 garlic cloves, some lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of cayenne, sea salt, and some black pepper. Okay, so after 15-20 minutes or so, you want to toss your fries around a bit. Okay, so now we're going to make our dipping sauce for our sweet potato fries, and I'm going to use some vegan mayo and some chili paste, which is also vegan. So we're going to get some mayo, our dipping sauce. Okay, so for my wrap, I'm gonna use these spinach wrap, and they are also vegan. So now it's time to put everything together. Oh, but first we gotta warm these up. Grab your hummus. A little bit of quinoa. And I'm also going to add some spinach. Add a little bit more of hummus. Spinach. Okay. And there you have it, a quinoa veggie crunch wrap with a size of sweet potato fries. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. Until next time, bye.